So we have bought a boat after many years and many back and forths and being deviated from our dreams. We finally just locked it down and stayed focused, and we got it done. The boat is down in St. Lucia, and we will be sailing it back as a family. So we figured the best way to get this out there and be able to communicate with our friends and family is to start a YouTube channel. And so that is what we have done, and hope you all enjoy. Thank you.
Well, stuff cleared customs that we've been waiting for. What a mess.